can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how you can tie your head wraps, turban, headscarf, how you can style it. You know, there are some times when you might just be on cornrows or on braids and you want to like go out with it. You just want to cover it with like a pretty stylish head wrap or headscarf. Then this video is for you, so I can show you how you can freestyle these head wraps into different styles for different occasions, for your everyday look with just one head wrap. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using like this scarf. It's quite a long scarf. Yeah, this color is like cream, but you can use any color of your choice, just depending on your decision, depending on what you want exactly. Okay, and the color you want exactly. So the first style we're going to be doing is this. First of all, like this is the length of, or this is the width of my head wrap. Then I'm just going to fold them out a little bit. Okay, I'll just fold them out a little bit. Then for this style, I will try to make one side, one part a bit longer than this other part for me to get the desired style I want. You also have to make sure that it covers like this part, so you won't like have the back of your hair showing when you're done tying the scarf. So first thing first, we take everything back this way and then tie it at the back. Next step, now this was what we were trying to get, a longer part and a shorter part. So this longer part, I'm just going to like give it a little twist or a little turn or turn over, okay, because we're going to be making a design with it. So after doing that twist, we're just going to pull it all over here. Then we give it a little, we make a little knot. Then take this other part and probably tuck it under this place. This is the outcome, more like a little, you know, style here. So for the next style we're going to be using, so now this style, you're just going to take this, to give it a little kind of twist, okay, then bring it over to the front of your head and give it more like a little twist. Pass this one over, then pass it again. Okay, it gives this kind of effect on the head. So that is it, and you take it all back. Fold your scarf in front this way. Most bend your head front and wrap. Give this more like a twist this way. And then you wrap. Just wrap. then the remaining. And here we go. This style is quite pretty, so you can try this anywhere you're going to work, to school. It's pretty. It's a very good ready to go look. The next style is going to be this. I'm not giving this any twist or any turn. I'm just going to wrap it around this base. And cross over. So this is what we have. Now this just like gives the base more like an extra top, so the base will not be looking so down, so flat, and you just get this style. Please wrap, twist this other end, give it a twist. We are going to be doing so here. Steady on my grind, don't want yeah what they want, telling me good in my fantasy. They want to check if my dad can go wrong. For the next style, this is quite a simple one. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for my hand. You can try any of these styles with your head wraps for your everyday look, going to the office, going to church, going to school, going to any place, going to the market at all, rather than just carrying your old cornrows or your old braids like that. Do tell me in the comment section anyone you could try out. I could also come back to this video to watch how you can tie any of these styles in probably anytime you want to style, so you can get the exact effect you want to get for yourself. Please click the red subscribe button if you haven't, and give the video a huge thumbs up so YouTube can recommend these simple hairstyles, head wraps to other persons who will want to achieve this look or get this look for themselves.